Are you tired of Facebook Marketplace not loading, not showing up, or just acting weird? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it in just a few simple steps. Whether it's a glitch, a region issue, or something else messing things up, let's get your marketplace back up and running today. Step 1, check your internet connection. First, make sure you're connected to a strong and stable internet connection. Weak Wi-Fi or mobile data often causes Facebook Marketplace to not load properly. Quick tip, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Step 2, update the Facebook app. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Outdated versions of the Facebook app can cause bugs and loading issues. You should now see an update button if a new version is available. Step 3, restart the app and your phone. Close the Facebook app completely and then open it again. Still not working? Restart your phone. It clears temporary glitches that might be affecting app performance. Pro tip, restarting solves more problems than you think. It's the tech world's magic fix. Step 4, clear Facebook app cache for Android only. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Facebook, scroll to Storage, and then Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that may be interfering with the app. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or app data. Step 5, check region and profile eligibility. Facebook Marketplace is not available in every country or for brand new accounts. Make sure you're using your main profile, you're in a supported country, and you're over 18. Pro tip, if you're using a VPN, try turning it off. Facebook might block Marketplace if your location looks suspicious. Step 6, check for account restrictions. If you've ever posted something that goes against Facebook's policies, your access to Marketplace may be suspended. Go to your Facebook notifications or support inbox to check for any policy violation messages. Step 7, file an appeal. If you think your access was removed unfairly, you can submit an appeal. Go to the Facebook Help Center and fill out the Marketplace appeal form. Be honest and clear about what happened. It can help increase your chances of getting access back. Step 8, check for temporary outages. Sometimes the issue isn't you, it's Facebook. Search online or visit sites like Down Detector or the Facebook Help page to see if other users are experiencing problems. So let's recap. We checked your internet, updated the app, cleared the cache, restarted the phone, verified your region and profile, and even looked into bans and appeals. With all these steps, chances are your Facebook Marketplace will be working again in no time. Bonus tip, try accessing Facebook Marketplace from both the mobile app and a desktop browser. Sometimes one works when the other doesn't. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more simple tech tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll reply to everyone. And don't forget to check out my video on how to access Facebook Marketplace if it's missing. It's linked below. Thanks for watching.